Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Chinese New Year is coming and a lot of people will be doing a lot of fish dishes at home. So today I'm just going to show you one very simple fish dish that especially the kids will really love it. Okay, so first of all, this is one of my favorite fish here. This is black pomfret. Usually we will buy black pomfret for deep fry, and black pomfret, when after deep fry, it will really taste very good. I will even eat the side fins and the bones. It becomes very crispy. Yeah. Then today we are going to deep fry black pomfret and using sweet and sour sauce. Okay, so what do we the ingredient needed for the sweet and sour sauce? Let's talk about the ingredient first. I have one tomato here, diced. Okay, cut to smaller pieces. Some prefer bigger pieces, really up to you. Okay, and this is half a big onion cut into smaller pieces like this as well. I have 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. Okay, then other than this, we will need some sauce. So I'm going to arrange the sauce and show you. Okay, the sweet and sour sauce is very simple. This is 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar. So the ratio is 1:1:1. Okay, and this is 2 ratio of water, so 3 tablespoons each. All right, so 1 ratio of tomato sauce, 1 ratio of white sugar, 1 ratio of white vinegar, and 2 ratio of water. 1:1:1:2. All right, it's very simple. So let's start with deep frying the fish. Okay, to be very frank, this pomfret today is about 900 over gram, which is a little bit too big for my wok. My wok, I think this should be 32 inches, 32 cm. Sorry. So yeah, that's why I actually cut off the tail part, yeah, of this fish, so that the whole fish can fit into the wok itself. So because of the fish is very big and very thick, I have to put a lot of oil here because it has to be a deep fry. And of course, to avoid the splattering, you want to just now, number one, I actually sprinkle some salt, yeah, on the surface of the fish a little bit. And then number 2, we make few slits on the side, few slits on the fish body. Yeah, this will help the fish to get cooked faster. And after that, you need to use a wet towel to wipe it dry, so that you will reduce the splattering. Okay, and then always remember you must use high heat to deep fry any fish. So high heat, when we say high heat, we mean minimum 180 degree and above. How do you know it's 180 degree? Very easy. The moment you start seeing smoke coming out from your oil, that is 180 degree already. Like now, I'm already seeing some smoke coming up. Okay, so 180 degrees is very simple to see. Okay, then you use a long spatula to help you. Actually, I've never used this much oil before to fry anything, but for this fish, I have to. Okay, and these are actually my reused oil, my recycled oil. I already use it once for other things. Now, let me zoom in for you. Now, the first rule of frying fish after you put in the fish is not to fiddle with it. Right after you put in, you let it rest there, put it inside, let it fry for minimum 3 minutes before you turn it to the other side. Okay, so let's not fiddle with it now. We will come back shortly after 3 minutes. Okay. Okay, this is after the first 3 minutes. All in high heat, yeah. Do not turn down the temperature. Now we want to slowly turn it around. Wow, I never done this size before. Use a spoon and a spatula to help you. Wow. Seriously, this fish is very fresh. To my surprise. To be frank with you, this is my first time ordering seafood online. And all the seafood actually comes in frozen state. I have to defrost it slowly. And I bought a few types of fish, and I bought some wild prawn. It is surprisingly fresh. The prawn is fantastic, and this fish, as when I was operating on it, I can feel it is very fresh. And you look at all this color here, it is extremely fresh. Okay, so we are going to give this side for another 3 minutes. Then I will flip once more, and then we'll be almost done. Okay. Okay. The other side has been frying for about 3 minutes plus. So I'm going to slowly and carefully flip it over. Use the help of a spoon here. Push the fish to the spatula and turn. Wow, this fish is so big. If it's the normal fish, normal size, let's say 500 grams, 3 minutes each is already fully done. Now I think I will need another 2 minutes for each side, yeah? So I'll give this side another 2 minutes, then flip it over, last 2 minutes, then it is done. Total frying time for this fish is minimum 10 minutes. My normal size actually will take 6 minutes the most, 6 or 7 minutes, yeah? Okay, this is after another 2 minutes. I'm going to turn one last round. Be very careful. Right. This is the color I'm looking for. So I'm giving the other side another 2 minutes. Then I will remove the fish from the hot oil. Yeah? Nice. Okay, that's the final 2 minutes. I'm going to remove the fish from the oil. You must do it very carefully. Put it to the side and let the oil render out. Okay. Use a spoon to help you to stabilize. Then move it onto a plate with oil absorbing paper. Alright. Okay. Here's the fried prawn fruit, and let's move to do the sauce. Okay, let's prepare the sauce. Put in some oil. Raise the heat. I'm going to saute the garlic ginger. Any of you remember this wok? This is a smaller thermos wok I used to use. Now I prefer bigger ones, yeah. Okay, just saute for a bit. Once you smell the flavor, you can put in the big onion, tomato, okay, you don't have to fry until everything is melted here, because later I will want to eat the tomato and also the big onion. Okay, before you put in other things, you want to use the hot oil to stir fry your tomato sauce to really bring out the color. Always remember, tomato sauce will need hot oil to bring out the reddish color, yeah, to your dish. Same thing when you are doing your gulu lo, yeah, gulu yolk. Always fry your tomato sauce first. Gonna put in a bit more oil. Yeah. You see the color is start coming up. Alright. Now after that, I'm going to put in the sugar, the water, but not the vinegar yet. Vinegar I'm going to put towards the end, because if you stir fry the vinegar for too long, the sourish flavor from the vinegar will be gone. Yeah. I don't think I need to starch this because of the it has already got starch inside the tomato sauce. Okay, just heat this up. Alright, almost there. It is now boiling. Now I'm going to put in the white vinegar. Okay? Few stir and it is done. Off the fire. And now we will assemble the sauce and the fish together. Okay, so I have the fried fish with me. Of course, you remove the oil absorbing paper, yeah? I have the fried fish with me, and then here's our nice gravy. You can starch it if you want, okay? Up to you. Right. So this is Appa's Tang Zhu Yu, sweet and sour fish. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to a friend. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.